in the space of nature, Gaia, and being wrapped and embraced by all there is. Aloha, and welcome to Ascension Alliance, Hawaii. I simply love nature, love being out in my garden, and wherever nature is, it's so energizing, rejuvenating, so supportive of our energetic body. And that's something I feel a lot of us need that extra support during this time as we adjust to so many things that are occurring, not just within us, but all around us, within our relationships, our home life, work life, all of the above, our relationship to Gaia and all there is, all sentient beings. And if you have that opportunity and or chance, I encourage you to go out in nature and get some of that energy restored back to you. Because I know there's a lot of different types of energies just moving and flowing, and a lot of this is flowing quite chaotically, and maybe some of this is not chaotically flowing or just stagnant, and we all become affected by all of these different moving types of energies. And what better way to receive more support by going out in nature and reconnecting. Nature is there for each and every one of us, for all sentient beings, to help us to ground all the energies that no longer serve its highest purpose within us and for us, so that we are better able to not just assist ourselves, but assist others around us that we'd more than likely be happy to be of service. Now for myself, I so love connecting to nature, and I connect to nature any time of the day and or night, as well as seasons, especially when there's storms, hurricanes perhaps maybe coming. I'm out there because that is when the energies are most potent. When the wind is blowing, I reconnect with the consciousness of the wind and the breeze. I mean, it's just amazingly wonderful. And the birds, the soil, the animals, the insects, they all know what's good for them on a whole. And therefore, I believe humans should take heed and take note and observe. Simply observe the movement in space between all these different types of consciousness. Because all living things have consciousness, and they all interconnect and intertwine and work for one another in a symbiotic way. And it's just amazing if you reconnect with nature. All the plants here, like the rosemary that I have here that just grows simply so wild, beautifully wild. It's beautiful. But I have many different plants around me, many different medicinal plants that I grow here and that I really enjoy. It's like my medicine cabinet is out in my garden, basically. And so I enjoy that. I sit with my plants. I sit with the elements, and I simply be, releasing, letting go everything, grounding everything into Gaia, transmuting everything and anything that need be transmuted. I think everybody should do some sort of routine in that sense. Develop and establish your own connective routine, supportive routine with Gaia, with all sentient beings, because it'll bring so much more of a sense of calm, peace, and serenity to your entire being. I just love it. I just, love connecting with nature and all there is, and all the birds. And I do feed the birds too here with bird seeds. Nothing goes to waste. Everything goes back into Gaia, back into my garden. Nothing here is used with toxic chemicals or anything. Everything is natural. I have animals, therefore, and the insects and the birds. I wouldn't want any poisons to be into their systems. They're part of the ecological system and makeup of Gaia. So my thing is, I prefer to keep things simply flowing for all living creatures, all living sentient beings that work in harmony with one another and provide that much needed assistance and support in whatever it is that they are here to do. Everyone has, and every sentient being has their own task upon this planet that contributes to the well-being of one another, of the trees, of the plants, of the animals, the soil, the rocks, the air, the rain. All of these are connective. I believe they're lovingly connective and highly intelligent and ecological intelligent system that's going on. So get out there, reconnect, just connect. Whether it's sitting out in your garden or going on a hike into the forest or going into the beach and enjoying the ocean there and connecting, reconnecting, re-establishing that connection to Gaia in general as a whole. It'll bring a sense of wellness and well-being to your soul, mind, body. It'll make you be able to see with the greatest of clarity and focus and balance the energies if you have chaotic energies that are swirling around you as well as within you. And so get out there and connect, reconnect. I just wanted to share this with you because nature is just so amazing. So amazing. And Gaia is simply amazing. A lot of times we have a tendency to get so caught up in a lot of things and so busy in many things that we forget that we're literally surrounded by energies that we are actually connected to, other sentient beings, Gaia, that is always here to assist us. So get out there and recharge that energy, and you recharge that supportive system, and reconnect. Be in the space of gratitude, appreciation, and thankfulness with all there is, with all that you are surrounded with, and just go with the flow and let it go. Just let it go. Let everything go. And come back to the self. Come back to your own authentic power. Always. Nature will help you to come back to that. Anyway, have a wonderful day, folks. And I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.